Hi Scott. Okay, I have made the changes and I think everything is fine now. Let me tell you what are the changes that I have done so you can just decide if everything is fine or not. Okay, on the People's tab, I have created three views. Client view, where we are only going to have clients based on the criteria that we define. So we are going to have only clients. Okay, then we have the title company view, where we are only going to have this type of people. So we're going to have only title company users, and then finally we have the agents view, where we are only going to have agents. So based on these three views, if we go to transactions, we are going to have on the client's name column, we are going to allow only people who is in the client's view to be selected. So what it means that from now on it's going to be impossible to select for this column someone who is not a client. Let me show you. Let's say that I want to add someone here. I click here, I click on the plus sign, and as you see, all the prospects or all the people that are showing up here are client, buyer, you see, property manager, buyer, so are only the people who qualifies as a client. Okay, so I have applied the same criteria in the other two columns. So if we go here, for instance, on the other agents column, same thing. I click here and you see only agents can be seen here. So if I want to add a new agent here, you see all I am going to see are just agents, nothing but agents. And applying the same criteria in the contacts column, exactly the same. I click here and you see I am going to have only this type of contacts. So everything is fine. Now I've done something else without asking you. I think I did it because I think it was right. So you had another link here to the client type in order to retrieve the commission, but now since we have the proper column here, we can automatically retrieve the type of client, and therefore we can also automatically retrieve the type of commission. So for instance, other here, and for instance here, since this client has two types of a client, is a seller and a buyer, you are going to see here that there are two possible commissions, as a seller and as other. So it will give you the option to decide which one you want to apply. Something that I also figured out, I mean something that I thought was something like this. Here we have the commissions. Now basically there are other and seller. So if you are okay, we can create another table which is commissions, which is going to be linked to this one. So what will be the purpose? We can add the percentage of commission that you are going to charge to other, to seller, or to buyer, or to whoever you think is going to apply. So if we have the commissions percentage, we can take that value up to the transactions, and instead or besides showing this column, we could have here a column that would say commission percentage. And for instance, in this case, which there are two possibilities, we could decide if we want to show both the lower or the highest. So it will, I don't know, it will also give some add value to these columns. Okay, so this is just a suggestion, but if you like it, I may go for it. It won't take too much time. Okay, Scott, I hope everything is fine. Okay, if not, just let me know and I'll make the changes. Okay, bye bye and thank you.